Well, the war cry against infiltration and illegal infiltrators has been the cornerstone of the.
और हमने वादा दिया जनता को कि जैसे सरकार बनेगी 1 दिसंबर से गैस सिलेंडर का कीमत सिर्फ 450 रुपए।
From Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Home Minister Amit Shah to Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath to the Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, top leaders of the BJP.
हमारी बोली आदिवासी बहनों की जमीन हड़प लिए है। मैं उनको भी कहना चाहता हूं, घुसपैठियों को भी वापिस भेजने का काम भारतीय जनता पार्टी करेगी। हम एक ऐसा कानून लेकर आएंगे जो
झारखंड की धरती को, झारखंड की धरती को यहाँ की बेटी, यहाँ की रोटी और यहाँ की माटी की सुरक्षा पे से धक्का देके बाहर करना है।
Now, on the 20th of November, voting for the second phase of the elections will take place in Jharkhand. Will the subsidy vow by the Congress leader change?
संरक्षण कांग्रेस ने और झारखंड मुक्ति मोर्चा ने घुसपैठियों को दिया है, जमीन और जंगल लूटने के अधिकार दिए हैं, जमीन
बांटेंगे, यहाँ तक कि घुसपैठियों को भी सिलेंडर बांटेंगे। मतलब कांग्रेस स्वागत और स्वीकार कर रही है कि हाँ, हम तो ट्राइबल्स का अधिकार छीनकर आदिवासियों का रोटी बेटी माटी
करते हैं कि इस देश विरोधी बयान के लिए कि अल्पसंख्यकों के जो वोट बैंक है उनको तुष्टीकरण करने के लिए जो बयान दिया है, इस पर कार्रवाई हो।
गुलाम अहमद मीर का स्टेटमेंट देंगे और देश के नागरिकों को दरनिकार करेंगे। कांग्रेस पार्टी एक टुकड़े टुकड़े गैंग की पार्टी है।
This statement by the senior Congress leader in Jharkhand confirms infiltrators or those who have come in illegally, confirms that they know about it, and more importantly, their stand shows for votes. They don't even care for the identity of the tribals in Jharkhand. They don't even care.
Also admitted. Now, this admission by one of the top leaders of the Congress party, what would it mean and what is the impact it's going to have is going to be very interesting to see. My colleague Niyamika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Okay, all right. We don't seem to have Niyamika with us. My sincere apologies. We'll just reconnect with her for the clarification that has come in from the Congress party on the same, because the details tell you what Ghulam Ahmad Mir has said, saying we will not differentiate. Even if there are infiltrators, the same subsidies would be provided to them. Is this an admission that infiltrators?
Well, the clarification is expected as there is a press conference which is currently going on in Ranchi at the Congress Bhavan, and for that reason B.K. Hariprasad is surely going to increase a lot of problems for the Congress party as the assembly elections are going on in the state of Jharkhand, and the manner in which the BJP is continuously raking up this entire matter, which has been given by Ghulam Ahmad Mir, because he is having the post of the Jharkhand Congress in charge, and what he has promised, what he has said about the Congress party's manifesto, the promises which the Congress party is making and by the BJP is also raking up this entire matter, that it has proven the fact that the Congress party is in support of the infiltrators and that they are only doing the appeasement politics ahead of the
13.8% is a Muslim population, and in 2011 it is 14.53%. So there is a rise in the Muslim population by 0.73%. When there in 1951, these were the numbers from 90.37%. The numbers that you're seeing, the Muslim percentage being 9.43% and the tribals being 44.67%.